Alright, so there is the newer HP Design Jet T-130. I use this for my business purposes of printing out blueprints. Basically I got a bunch of new rolls of 20-pound, 24-inch by like 100-foot, the 2-inch rolls. Issue I'm having is it jams, and we're going to just basically replicate it. So what I want to do first is go to the roll. We're going to load this roll. This is a new roll. And it'll go through its auto skew setting once it grabs it and loads it. So there we go. It's got it. We're going to open the door. Just bypass it so you can see what's going on. You just put a pencil or what have you in there just to push the pin down. We're actually going to load plain paper. Alright, the plain paper is the thinnest versus other types that we can go with. We're using the plain paper for now. Continue. It's going to go through its process here, fixing the skew, making sure everything's all level. You can see there where it binds, right there. There's something going on with this printer. I've only printed on this thing maybe 20 like A4 sheets like this right there. This is what it does every time with the roll. Well, so I mean, this thing I bought in October. It's March now. I've only printed maybe a few items, not a whole lot. There's something here going on, jamming it. The paper itself doesn't really quite work out. I've also used the satin self-adhesive polypropylene. I started printing some graphics for the company. It never really had an issue up until now. It just actually started jamming. So for whatever reason, the paper is not feeding through. There's something going on mechanically wrong with the unit. There's no jams, there's no paper, there's none of that stuff. So this sucks. You gotta move the print head to the right to get the paper. It's all jammed up underneath. You never want to turn side to side. You want to basically lift up like it tells you to in the owner's manual. You just kind of got to clear it out. Now when you get a bunch of ink on here, you don't want to pull it back through the rollers, because you're going to get the roller heads all covered with ink and it's going to be all nasty. So in the future you're going to have sticky paper and whatnot. When it comes out the rollers, it'll get all stuck up. So I'm not sure what is wrong with this. I'm going to contact HP support, and I've actually contacted a local service center near me to see what's going on. But for whatever reason, something is frozen up, seized up, or not rolling the paper correctly. Now, once that's done, it just really sucks. Carriage cannot move, blah, blah, blah. It'll unload the roll. And I'll make sure that it can go. So I'm going to have to send this unit out for repairs, or buy another one and just swap it. Paper came out quick and flowed through there. No problem with that section on this side. So it looks like it's getting a hang up somewhere on this side over here. So we'll just load the roll again, see if it'll go through. But that's the problem I'm having. So it looks like they got some new issues with this one. Again, I've only printed maybe no more than 20 documents, and it's already toast.